But if some of the things happening in your life are actually signs that Allah is protecting you even when you don't realize it. Five signs say maybe Allah is protecting you. Number one, Allah save you from harmful people or bad situation even if you don't understand why at that time. Number two, your dua, it's answered in a very, very unexpected way. Sometimes Allah gives you something better than what you asked for. Number three, you are no longer feel comfortable in sinful environments. Your heart feels uneasy around things that displease Allah. Number four, your trials are making you stronger, bringing you closer to Allah instead of pulling away from Him. The last one is a very important one. Do not escape this one. Number five, you are constantly reminded to remembrance of Allah through a verse, through a reminder, or a sudden urge to make dhikr. These moments may not be coincidence. They could be signs of Allah's care and guidance in your life. Thank Allah for His perfect protection, keep turning back to Him, and never take His guidance for granted. If this reminder benefited you, share it with someone who really need it and share it with your loved ones because the Prophet, peace be upon him, said that whoever guides someone to good will have a reward similar to the one who does it. And if this reminder benefited you, like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic reminders. May Allah give us the right stuff in our life. Thanks for watching.